Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to post multiple photos in Facebook Story. So first thing is open the Facebook application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you are logged in into the account, what you need to do is tap on Create Story option. Tap that. Now from here you need to select the photos that you want to add to the story. So when you want to add a multiple photos, you need to first tap on these options, select multiple. At the right side of your screen, tap that. Now you will be able to choose multiple pictures to be posted on your Facebook story. So I'm just gonna go and tap on these random pictures. Then you can choose the option whether you want to post this picture separately or you want to post a collage of this. If you tap on separate stories, these picture that has been selected will be posted as a single separate story on Facebook. So tap on share, and with that you will be able to post multiple photos in Facebook story right away. Hope this video was useful. You can see the uploading of your Facebook story. And with that, the upload is completed. Hope this video was useful on how to post multiple photos in Facebook story. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.